The Polestar 3 has officially proven it is not just a stylish electric vehicle, but also one of the safest on the road. According to the latest Euro NCAP crash and safety test results, this fully electric SUV received a perfect 5-star rating. That is no small feat, especially considering how competitive the safety standards have become. Adult occupant protection scored an impressive 90%, meaning the structure of the vehicle and its restraint systems performed extremely well during frontal and side impact tests. When it comes to child occupant protection, the Polestar 3 set a new benchmark. It scored 93%, the highest rating seen in this category in the past 9 years. For families, this is a big win. The car offers excellent protection for child dummies aged 6 and 10 in various crash simulations. Another standout area is safety assist, which scored 83%. The Polestar 3 is loaded with driver assistance technologies that actively work to prevent accidents, not just protect during one. From automatic emergency braking to lane-keeping assistance, it is clear that Polestar did not cut any corners. The vehicle also earned 79% in vulnerable road users protection, a category that includes pedestrians and cyclists. This shows how well the Polestar 3 detects and reacts to people outside the car. One clever detail is the airbag status display. When a rear-facing child seat is placed in the front passenger seat, the display clearly shows whether the airbag is active or not. This is not just convenient, it is a thoughtful safety feature that can help prevent injury. The car also has a built-in system that detects if a child is accidentally left in the back seat, ensuring the vehicle cannot be locked under such conditions. These results reflect Polestar's clear priority: delivering cutting-edge performance without compromising on safety. Whether you are commuting solo or driving your family around town, the Polestar 3 proves you can have confidence in every journey. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss future updates on the safest and smartest vehicles coming your way.